Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect pair of kids basketball shoes, I have it here. These are by Vitaiki, and they are a really well-made high top sneaker that is fun looking and also really durable as well. So these come in adult sizes as well as kids, and what I really like about them is they're made of a really stretchy kind of fabric on top. They have plenty of shoelaces, as you can see, and they also have these really cool plastic straps that are completely incorporated in with the shoe. So you can definitely make them tighter as needed so that they're nice and secure, especially for playing basketball or just running around. The shoes are really durable, so I've noticed in the couple of weeks that my daughters had them that despite wearing them and actually being outside and playing in them, you can see that they still look like new even after a few weeks. They have a really cool upper part that has this V near the ankle, so they're really comfy, and they also have the pull tab that allows you to put them on really easily. The front has the rubber as well, so they're nice and protected, and again, they're just a really durable and really comfortable shoe. The inside has some good padding, and I really love this color as well, and they come in a bunch of other colors too. So for a great all-around shoe, these are great for not only basketball, but for just running around. They're really durable and comfortable, and they have a really unique design that makes them really fun to wear. These are awesome for my daughter, and they would be for you as well, and that's my point of view.